I just want to say thank you all for the encouragement and compliments about our re-ramp of 1212 Salon. And with this expansion, we have now added another team member. Her name is India. And the thing I like about India is her gentleness, how thorough she is when she's walking her clients through the service, and her eagerness to learn and evolve as a natural hairstylist. India definitely fits into the rhythm of our salon and core standards on how we service our clients from start to finish. So for the month of January, we will do an introductory service price for India. So if you would like to be a part of welcoming her into our team and growing with her as she navigates you through your hair journey, we will have that special price list set aside for her on the booking site. All you have to do is go through the link in the bio, click on her name, or click on the service provided with her name attached to it. And we'll see you soon. And I thank y'all so much for supporting us and trusting us with your hair.